Now we're going to prepare the tomato sauce for the pizza. We'll put everything together and later on we'll show you how to assemble it with the pizza. So you start with 3 cans of tomatoes, whole tomatoes. Now, because I don't have a big bowl right now, I'm using a medium-sized bowl. I'm going to start crushing them with my hands. It's better with your hands so you feel the size of the tomatoes and you could crush it fine. You have to prepare your spices. You want it a little strong, you could put some chili peppers, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of sugar, and fresh basil. If you want a lot more basil, it's up to you. Or if you don't have fresh basil, you can use the dried basil. Pinch of oregano. Some sugar, it will cut out the acidity. And just a little bit of chili, that will spice it up. Some salt. Not too much, because if you're using pepperoni or mozzarella, that will add salt. And a little bit of black pepper. Fresh, ground black pepper. And sorry, mix it. Mix it together. And now I will show you how to start to cook it a little bit on the stove. Now I'm gonna show you how to cook your tomato sauce for the pizza. So you have your ingredients prepared. Some onions, chopped up small, some garlic, and start with olive oil. Make sure your pan is hot before you put the onions. Start with the onions. This is how much. Okay, now you add your garlic. See, now it's starting to change color. Take your tomato sauce that you prepared earlier and you pour it in your onions and garlic. There. It already smells good. There we go. Make sure all the onions are mixed well. Add a bit more salt. Just a touch. Some peppers. And lower your heat to a medium low and let it cook for about 25 minutes.